friends! Welcome to Ms Catalina Kitchen! And maybe you are wondering why are you in my kitchen, right? Well, today we are going to cook some healthy snacks. I can hear my stomach right now. Yes, I'm very hungry. Okay, and for do these snacks, you need three very important things, okay? Number one grown-up responsible person had to be with you in the kitchen all the time. You cannot be by yourself. Let's hear this one more time. Number one grown-up responsible person had to be with you in the kitchen all the time. You cannot be by yourself. Number two, open your eyes very big and push your learning button. Yes, and number three, don't forget wash your hands very carefully. Alright, snack number one. We are going to do a happy waffle. How about that? Alright friends, so step number one, you need peel your banana, right? And don't forget use your plastic fork, okay? Then cut your banana like this. Now you take your strawberry and you cut the top and you cut the bottom, okay? And then you need to do some slides. So when you have your strawberries and your bananas done, you need a plate, and in the middle of the plate put your waffle or your pancake, okay? Like this. And then we are going to start with the decoration. It's ready. Yummy, so delicious, ready to eat. All right, our snack number two is a chip. Do you ever eat a chip? How do you think it looks like? Okay, so we need to take the grapes and cut it into little pieces, okay? And the number three, I know it's something that you really like it. It's an ice cream. It's a waffle ice cream. For your ice cream, you need to cut your waffle like a triangle, okay? So one more time, you need your plastic fork and cut your waffle like a triangle. If you want it, you can add some honey or maple syrup. Ready to eat. Ooh, I'm so full to eat all these delicious snacks. What about you? Did you enjoy it? I hope you do. So see you in the next video, and remember, I love you all. Mwah. Bye.